Here I am in Snowflake, which, like so many modern data repositories, is so good at bringing in huge amounts of data and letting data admins organize it. And you see here that I've got a table schema, and I've got this transactions table, number of rows 80 million, size 4.4 gigabytes. What's really hard, though, is working with this data. It's easy to connect the BI tool to it and build dashboards, but I can press preview table and I'm going to be able to see 100 rows here. Snowflake understands that a spreadsheet-like view is the easiest way to understand this data, but to get at all of it, you're going to need to write some SQL like you see over here. That's where Gigasheet comes in, easy enough to connect your entire Snowflake repository to Gigasheet. You'll see all of your tables that came in here, and I can open up that same transactions table here to get my 80.5 million rows. I can scroll left and right and see those same columns, but now I can actually paginate through every one of those 80 million rows. And I can do things like filter, group, and aggregate. To understand, in this case, the sum of revenue by customer cohort. Really easy to do this in a spreadsheet environment, really difficult to do that with modern data repositories. Gigasheet makes it very easy.